To play cornhole, you'll need 2 to 4 players, 2 cornhole goal boards, and 2 sets of 4 beanbags. Position the cornhole goal boards so the front edges of the goals are about 27 feet or 8 meters apart. Each player or team stands at one of the goal boards. Flip a coin to see who goes first. On a player's turn, they throw one of their beanbags underhand at the other player's or team's goal board. Then the other player or team throws one of their beanbags. Continue alternating throws until each player or team has thrown all 4 of their beanbags. Beanbags that go through the hole in the goal board are worth 3 points, and beanbags that land and stay on the goal board are worth 1 point. To calculate the final score for that inning, the losing team's score is subtracted from the winning team's score. For example, if the winning team scored 5 points and the losing team scored 3 points, the winning team is awarded 2 points for that inning. Continue playing until one team reaches 21 or more points first and wins.